Fluorescent river Sutlej has its own beauty on other bank with scenic view. This river is also got link with river Suk Beas in itself in borders of Pakistan. In Pakistan, these two rivers become into one flow of water as a Sutlej river. Both are biggest rivers in India and Pakistan. This is very fertile area of agricultural lands. Too much beautiful area of endless crops fields. Natural color of water gives power of love to boost the minds of people along with trees and boats on the bank of river and green trees as well. There is water flowing natural look inside the river to give the impression of natural beauty of water of both rivers. Sutlej and Suk Beas. These two rivers are very fertile identification with a vast areas of crops. There's also scenic view of bridge with water world in beautiful Pakistan. Pakistan has really very beautiful area of fertile lands with different kinds of crops with these two rivers Suk Beas and Sutlej. This area is king of crops.